Medtech sits at a pivotal moment. AI is no longer a future consideration. It's actually reshaping every stage of the value chain, from R&D through to commercialization. AI doesn't just accelerate existing processes, it rewrites them entirely.
In Medtech, AI is changing the rules and providing opportunities, particularly in the areas of R&D and manufacturing simultaneously. AI-enabled workflows have demonstrated the ability to compress early discovery timelines, and the outcome is that quality becomes predictive and embedded.
In Medtech, the opportunity for AI is huge. As AI becomes more deeply embedded across production and the quality system, it has a capacity to influence how Medtech companies think about efficiency, consistency, and scalability at a strategic level.
In broader life science industry, AI is creating competitive advantage in market segmentation, pricing, and health economics. Medtech needs to use the same advancements to their benefit.
Within Medtech, regulation is arguably the most complex dimension. While the technology has accelerated, the regulatory framework remains a moving target.
For an industry weighed down by regulatory, quality, and supply chain constraints, AI is a direct opportunity on the cost structure, as well as a generational opportunity. Humans are pivotal in the advancement of Medtech and AI, but finding the right talent remains one of the most pressing challenges for the industry.